Mercer, ground ball up the middle, base hit. Here comes Snider around third. He'll score standing up. Jordy Mercer, an RBI single, and the Pirates lead it 3-1.
Nicely done, as Jordy, like Neil Walker, just seemed to kind of wait on that, just hit it, slap it back through the middle. Plenty of time for Travis to get around.
Mercer's 2 for 3.
Ground ball that finds the hole. Drop the hammer on it, Andrew. Break it open.
51st RBI for Mercer. Snider motoring around third.